See question number 11. The diagram is given 9.12. Okay. So see that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line, joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So height of the tower I am representing by AB, this is H, and width of the canal as BD. Okay, so width of the canal is BC, that X value we have to find out. Okay, so see this diagram and write, given that AB is equal to H meter be the height of the tower, CD equal to 20 meter, angle ADB is equal to 30 degree and angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Let BC equal to X. So I am considering the width of this canal as BC, that is X. Okay. So see that first we must consider right triangle ABD. Okay. So from right triangle ABD, O by edge, that is tan. So tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BD. So tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to ABH divided by BD 20 plus X. Okay. So 20 plus X, H root 3 is equal to 20 plus X. Equation number 1. Again from triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equal to AB divided by BC. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H divided by BC, X. So root 3x equal to H. Equation number 2. See these two equations, children. We must find out the X value as well as the H value. Okay. For finding the X value, what we have to do means we have to substitute H, second equation, in first equation. If we are substituting the second in first, H, in the place of H you must write root 3x. Okay. So substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. The second equation I am going to substitute in the first equation. So in the place of H I am replacing by root 3x. Root 3x into root 3 equal to 20 plus x. See, so equation contains only one variable x, for that only. So after getting the x value you can substitute here, we will get the h value. That is very easy. For that only we are doing like that. Okay. So root 3 into root 3, 3. So remove and multiply 3x equal to 20 plus x. So x you have to transform left side. 3x minus x equal to 20. 2x equal to 20. So x equal to 20 divided by 2, x equal to 10 meter. So one part of the question we got. Okay. Next what they ask you to find out, find the height of the tower, h. Okay. Substitute x equal to 10 meter in equation 2 round. So if you are substituting this is equation 2. So substituting in 2 round, x is equal to 10. So what will be our h value? H is equal to root 3x, that is root 3 into 10, that is 10 root 3. So the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter and the width of the canal is BC. We got it. What is that BC? 10 meter. See question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, so see that let AB equal to 75 meter be the lighthouse. Okay, so from the top of the lighthouse we are observing. So this is sea. Okay, the sea level, two ships are coming towards the lighthouse, one behind the other on the same line. Okay, so that is they are given in the question data. So this is the top of the lighthouse. We are viewing the ships on the sea. So this is this much height. Above the height we are standing on the lighthouse and observing the sea level ships. So angle of depression is there. Okay, so here first ships we are observing in the angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is the horizontal line, this is the line of sight. Okay, this is the shapes we are observing from this point. So the straight line from our eyes to the object, that is the line of sight, and this is the horizontal line. So angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is 30 means automatically what will come? This also 30, because this is acting as a transversal, because these two are parallel lines and this is acting as a transversal. So we studied already, if a transversal cut to parallel lines, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, sum of co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Here only from that theorem only one result we are applying. So these and these are two alternate angles, because these two are horizontal lines and this is AD is acting as a transversal. So this 30 degree is same as this one, because these two are alternate angles. Same manner, the second shape from the angle of depression as 45 degree. So this is the horizontal line, this is the line of sight. It makes 45 degree. So here also 45 degree, because this also alternate angle. So you see children, angle of depression questions comes in examination means you must draw the horizontal line and mark this, otherwise you will not get full mark. Okay, so then only they can understand, you know the concept, horizontal line is there, line of sight is there, so from that you are marking the angle of depression like that. Okay, so don't forget that if the depression, angle of depression is there means you must draw a straight line, dotted line. This will be our horizontal line, these are the line of sight. Based on that you must mark the angles. So see that we will have two right triangles. Okay, what are the two right triangles? First I am considering the right triangle ABC. So you must write AB equal to 75 meter, be the height of lighthouse, be the height of lighthouse. A be the point of observation. Okay, that automatically we know that. And angle ACB equal to 45 degree and angle ADB equal to 30 degree. So first I am considering the right triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, tan 45 equal to OP by edge, that is AB divided by BC. Tan 45 is 1, isn't it children? So 1 equal to AB, that is 75, divided by BC. So which implies BC also 75 meter. So BC is 75 meter, we got it. So what about BD? 75 plus x, because CD measure we don't know, that we are considering as x. Okay. This is the position of two ships, distance between two ships only, that only they ask you to find out the value of x. Okay, that is acting as CD. Next again consider triangle ADB. Tan 30 is equal to AB divided by, what will come? B. So tan 30, 1 by root 3 is equal to AB, we know the value 75, divided by BD 75 plus x. Cross multiply children, 75 plus x is equal to 75 root 3. So x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, that is x is equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So this only, that x value CD only they ask you to find out. Therefore distance between two ships is equal to distance between two ships is equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter.